I received a question on a video about how to remove the clear plastic fuse box cover that's behind this cover. Firstly, it's a bit easier to work on if you remove this over cover, and you do that by opening it slightly and pulling upwards, because the direction of the holes, the slots that form the hinges, you can't open the cover fully and then remove it. If you go to the left-hand end of the plastic cover and slide a very small bladed screwdriver up through the little gap underneath, you'll see that you can get it underneath the clip. It really is a very, very light pressure. If you lever too much, you're going to snap it off. Now the other end, you could try and lift it off with a screwdriver, but what I found was that as the right hand end is a bit more difficult to get to because of the bulkhead, that if you just release the left hand end and then slide the cover to the right a bit, it will almost release the cover, and you just have to assist it a bit before it comes off, and it really comes off very easily in the end. So now you can see the clips that have to go on either end, and you can see how thin it is and how easy it would be to break them. So in the end, that's all there is to it. I hope this helps.